Good morning, YouTube's friends, everyone. Today I am in the province of Shouf, and there's a nature reserve here. As you can see, it's called Her Majesty's Queen Elizabeth II Trail, and you have a choice of tracking, 2 kilometer, 1 hour, 2 hour. Obviously I'm not going to be doing none of that, but this place is special because, as you know, the symbol of Lebanon is the cedar. Now, the main cedar attraction of Lebanon is in the north of Lebanon, but this one is the opposite side of Lebanon. But it's a trail that you can do trekking and everything. And as always, it's the first time for me, but this is very special, guys. So I'm gonna give you a little trekking tour with my brother-in-law. You know this guy from before, previous vlogs.
Hello.
And look at these cedar trees, guys. These obviously they're still maybe 600-700 years old. They're not as old as the other ones, which hopefully at some point in the future that we will visit. So let's follow this trail. We're gonna do a half an hour trail. Obviously I'm not gonna give you half an hour because I don't want to bore you. But you nature lovers, this is Lebanon. This is one part of Lebanon. Awesome nature. You won't find anything like it anywhere. Yep, it was unplanned visit this time when I come to Lebanon, and when something unplanned, it always turned out to be the best. I myself thought that the cedar of Lebanon was in the north. I never knew this mountain here existed with the cedar. And up here, elevation, we are over 1500 meter, 1.5 kilometer, 1 mile above sea level. Imagine 1500 meter. And again, it's 240 hectare. Birds watching, animal observation, hill, lake, panoramic view of the Beqaa Valley. So if I was to do the full track, unfortunately we come a little bit later on in the day because they close the gates at 3 o'clock, which just give us enough time, like maybe half an hour or so. When you reach the top of this mountain, if you like, the mountain of cedars, you could see the Beqaa Valley. Can you imagine? So I would love to have to do it, but like I said, it's gonna be a short track. Look at that, it's so peaceful. You can be yourself here, One wrong step, guys, I think the only way you'd stop is there's nothing, the only way you'd stop is by reaching the bottom. Look at these tracks. So it's like zigzags, yeah. Wow. They done it like this, so so it's less easier to walk. To walk, as you can see, the higher you get, it's nice and fresh air. But maybe the air a little bit thinner, but we should be all right. Wow. Okay, guys. Lebanon is full of beautiful places. Right. I don't know how far we have. I'm not even sure we are halfway. He's struggling. Wow. You gotta be fit. Wow. Look at this view, guys. Gonna save some battery. Wow. I'm okay. Been walking now for about 45 minutes. The track doesn't seem to end. Yeah. Look at these cedar trees, thousands of years old. But the one in the north of Lebanon is like a couple of 6,000-7,000 years old, believe it or not. My brother-in-law is somewhere there. He's I think he's struggling a little bit. It was easy coming down, but unfortunately, guys, so at least we got to see some beautiful places. Look at that, guys. Look at this place. Right, we're heading back down. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. And see you next time.